Welcome to Discovery at Home. Today, we're going to talk about ice cube engineering. Now, engineers have to face a lot of challenges when they're trying to design something, a building, bridge, whatever it might be. They have to think about their materials and costs and constraints. Constraints are the rules or guidelines that they have to follow. So, here's a fun activity because when you're building with ice cubes, one of your biggest constraints is time, because if your ice cubes are melting, they're only going to be that shape for a certain amount of time. So you have to be sure to plan what you want to build pretty quickly and get it done. Also, you want to think about your materials. As these ice cubes have been sitting here, they've let off some water. They're melting into the liquid state, so it's a little slippery on the plate. So if you want to create a strong foundation, you might think of other materials to use in your foundation to make it so that the ice cubes will stay still when building. So if I put a paper towel at the bottom of whatever I'm building, that is going to help create a more stable foundation for the ice cubes, because they might be less likely to slip and slide with that paper towel there. You'll have to experiment with other materials while you build, and then you can see what kind of tower or creation you can build with ice cubes. We look forward to seeing your engineering at work. Be sure to share with us on our social media pages. This has been Discovery at Home. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Evergy.
Thank you to Evergy for making Discovery at Home possible.